We got another one rusted, a rusty one. But I thought that's what I'll be finding a lot of. Found another sinker. Oh, there's a guy that caught a lake sturgeon over there, and he has it up on shore. But it's not big enough to keep, and I think the season's over. So I think I'm gonna have to go remind him of that.
Yeah, he weighs 20 pounds or more.
Wow. All right, guys. I got permission to release the sturgeon. Here he is. Oh, he's stuck. There he goes. Here he goes. Look at beautiful. There you go, buddy. Oh, hey. Wow, beautiful. There he goes. Awesome. All right, let's go back looking for hooks. Haha, did you see that? I'm back at our spot. I rescued that sturgeon from certain death. And I rescued him from possibly getting a crazy fine. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine the fine for keeping a sturgeon out of season that's too small? Probably be like $5,000. That was awesome. Okay, we found one hook so far, usable one. Let's find some more.